Here's meteorologist Patrick Evans.
This picture pretty well exemplifies the winds we're seeing out there. Top of the tram, gusty conditions, but it also showcases that's not really haze, it's dust that's been picked up by the wind. That's why there's a wind-blown dust advisory in effect from the Air Quality Management District. The wind advisory that's in place from the National Weather Service now it covers all of the Coachella Valley, our local mountains, stretching down into San Diego, even a little Imperial County, and all of San Bernardino County. Most of it anyway. All right, the strongest winds we've seen thus far. 56 miles per hour in Whitewater, 49 mile per hour winds here in Thousand Palms. Cathedral City's been very gusty. We've been tracking winds up to 38 miles per hour in Palm Springs. And I've heard reports in Desert Hot Springs and Sky Valley winds around 43 miles per hour. The official number is 35, but I think we've seen gusts stronger than that. The effect of this will last through tomorrow morning until 5 a.m. So we'll keep the weather alert up until that point. So by tomorrow's morning program, when we launch our broadcast at 5 a.m., we should be back to normal. Gusty winds around 25 to 35, and those are sustained winds too. And then we're going to see gusts up as strong as 60 miles per hour in areas. And already the evidence of blowing sand and dust has really knocked down visibility in places. So please be cautious as you drive along. You could drive into a dust cloud that will bring visibility down very quickly. Be aware of that. Temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s. And we're not going to get a lot warmer today. The gusty winds, the haze that's coming in, the dust that has been kicked up, that will impede warming. So it should be in the 94-degree range in much of the valley. Here are those strong gusty winds. We're seeing sustained winds at 25 miles per hour or so, very close to that in most valley cities. So it is just steadily very windy, but the gusts that have been spiking will continue through the afternoon and into the evening and even overnight, with winds up close to 40 miles per hour, especially north of the freeway in the wind-prone areas. A triangle that goes basically from Palm Springs to Desert Hot Springs over to Thousand Palms. That typically sees some of our strongest winds, but we're still seeing very gusty winds in the East Valley as well, with winds in Thermal and Mecca maxing out around 35 miles per hour. So gusty winds through tonight, tapering off into tomorrow. As you can see, it'll still be breezy in places, but those winds are backing off. Skies are nice and clear, but the dust has really impeded our view out there. Low to mid 90s today. Temperatures very mild in the overnight hours. And then as we look at the Comfort Air 7-day forecast, I've left the weather alert day up through early tomorrow morning. Then it should expire. We've got these damaging winds that have caused some problems here on the valley floor already. We're going to be cooler the next couple of days. We're dropping off into the lower 90s, and it will still be breezy at times throughout the rest of the week, but temperatures looking a whole lot better, and the winds also will be much improved. Peter.